Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using a simple arbitrage method. It's all 100% free and no work required. Alright, so stick around. We're going to get started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, this simple method that I'm going to show you of what we call arbitrage, and which, by the way, what is arbitrage, right? Arbitrage is just the simple meaning of it is just buy low and sell it high. It's just that simple. Okay, it's a simple method. It takes one time to set this up, and then from that point on there's no work involved on your part, and you can make money online quite a bit as you go. Okay, alright, so first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed yet, don't forget to reach down there sometime during this video and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this video here today. Kind of anxious to show this to you. It's pretty easy to set up and get going. Okay, alright, so first of all, what we're going to do is come over here to a website called SEO Clerk. SEO Clerks. You see it up here in the address bar. It says SEOclerk.com. www.seoclerk.com. Alright, and then what we're going to do here is, in here we're going to type in the search engine up here, logo design. Alright, we'll press enter, and that should here in a moment load up some logo design things. Now you see there's a few people here that are selling logo design. Well, they'll design logos for businesses and stationery and so on and so forth. And if you notice, some of these are selling logo design here, like this one here, design and create a professional logo for only $4. Okay, and then some for $5, there's someone for $20 here, and $4, $3, and $3, and $5. As you look down through here, you see these logo design people here that are doing design is fairly low priced. So this is going to be the site that you're going to be purchasing from. Okay, remember I said the arbitrage is buy low and sell high, right? Alright, so you can use any one of these as you want. For the obvious reason is you want to buy the cheapest one that you can, and so on when you get your order here. So for the other side of this, what you're going to do is come to a site which we've all familiar with too. It's called Fiverr.com, right? See it up here in the address bar, www.fiverr.com there. Same thing here. At Fiverr, you're going to type in logo design, and then press enter, and it brings up logo designers here on Fiverr. Okay, now what you're going to do here at Fiverr, this is where you can see where the people are selling logo design for a little bit higher than they were on SEO Clerk. Some of them here on SEO is a little bit higher too, but for the most part on Fiverr it's a little bit higher. Here's some at 155, 145, 30, and so on, 20, 15. Here's one for 750 and 30. So on Fiverr, what you're going to do is you're going to sign up. Now, incidentally, too, guys, this is all 100% free. Like I said, can be done anywhere in the world. Just have a computer and internet access, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. So, but on Fiverr, what you're going to do is you're going to create a gig on Fiverr of logo design. Okay. So you come up here and you can click become a seller, or it's free to join on any of these, both of these sites. Doesn't cost anything to join. But on Fiverr, you're going to click become a seller. All right, and then you'll set up become a seller, and you'll set up your gig. You can join with Facebook or Google, or you can set up a local account right there on Fiverr. Okay, so when you set up your gig, you can you're going to set up a logo design gig. All right, and you can come to SEO Clerks and sort of, for example, here's one for $4 here. If you click on that, you can take and copy, when you set up your gig on Fiverr, you can copy some of the information from these other designers on SEO Clerks and sort of just tweak it a little bit to what you want it to be for yourself, and then bring that over and then set that as your gig on Fiverr. And then you'll charge on Fiverr, for example, you can charge $30, $45, $15, $20, whatever you want on your gig on Fiverr, and you can start it low, and like most of these people on Fiverr do, and they probably do also on SEO Clerks too, but they have basic gig, starts at 15, then they have a standard where they'll do 2 logo concepts with JPEG files, PNG, source files, unlimited revisions for 50, and then their premium package is $100 for 3 logo concepts, stationary designs, high quality mock-up, and social media kit. So you can offer different standard step-up or standard procedures offers in this where you can charge a little bit more money, but your basic package, set it around 15 or 20 or $30, whatever you want. Create your gig here on Fiverr. And then when somebody orders from your gig on Fiverr, somebody orders a logo design, they will give you the sort of a mock-up or idea of a type of design that they want for you to work with, right? And then all you're going to do is take that design information that your customer gives you, and you're going to come back over here to SEO Clerks, and you're going to hire one of these designers for like $4 or $4. Here's one for $3. As you scroll down, you can find $3. Hire one of these guys for $3 to create that logo with your information that your customer gave you, and then once they create that design and that logo and they give that back to you, you just simply come back to Fiverr and give that information and that logo design that customer or that person created on SEO Clerks. You just give that back to your customer on Fiverr, and you get paid the difference. So for example, if you had your gig set up at like $30 here and you sold it, you bought a $3 or a $5 gig, that means you meant, let's say if you bought a $5 gig to do the work on SEO Clerk, you make the difference. So you'd make $25 off of that deal. So you can actually theoretically make as much money as you want doing it like that. That's simple arbitrage. You buy low on SEO Clerks and sell it high or higher on Fiverr after you set up your gig. Now, if you'll notice on Fiverr here, there's quite a few people here that do these logo designs. If you look up here, you see where I'm highlighting, that's 68,738 people. So like I've showed in other videos also, how would you get yours to rank up high quick? Well, you would click on one of these ones that are up on the first page here. For example, when you create your gig and you set up your graphic here and so on, and talk about your gig and so on and so forth, you come to one of these other sellers and you just scroll down to the bottom of their page of their gig, right? Clear through the comments, and you see the related tags right here. You just copy these tags that they're using on theirs and use the same tags in the same order on your gig, and that will help to rank your gig up higher in Fiverr and also on Google, because this is Google search engine optimized. Fiverr is. In fact, let's just see, let's come over here. I want to see how much traffic Fiverr gets, right? And we can also see the same thing for SEO Clerks. So if I load up Fiverr and I click on my similar web extension up here, which you can get for free, and put it on Google Chrome, and if we look here on Fiverr, which it shows Fiverr up here at the top. If you look, Fiverr gets at monthly visits of 36 million, almost 37 million people per month. That's a lot of traffic, folks. That is a lot of traffic. Now let's check out SEO Clerks and see what kind of traffic they get. So SEOclerk.com. Load that up in Chrome. And then we check our similar web on it. See SEO Clerk. SEO Clerk gets about 623,000 visitors per month. About 750,000 people per month. So that's a pretty high traffic website too. So you see that you can set up your gig on Fiverr for your logo design gig, right? Get an order, bring it over to SEO Clerks, fulfill the order for cheaper, bring your results back to your customer on Fiverr, and get paid the difference from what you paid on SEO Clerks, and make money that way. And you haven't done anything you haven't done any work at all. You set this gig up one time with no other work involved. All you're doing is just being the arbitrage middleman in between SEO Clerks and Fiverr. So you see, you can make a lot of money like that. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button and click the bell, and give me a big thumbs up if you got some value out of this video. This pretty simple method here to make money online from home for free and not much effort. Alrighty. Well, guys, click the link down there where you see it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the description. Check out my #1 rated business there and see what all you get involved with that, and sign up there for the low price of $7 and get started today and get into the business challenge and take 15 steps to grow your affiliate marketing business starting today. And at the end of the 15 days, you can have your first sale in that up as well. Okay? Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. Bye-bye now.